guys, welcome back today to Tribit FlyBuds C2, the successor to just a fantastic pair of earbuds, the C1s. And if you haven't seen that video, check it out. I'll leave it above in the cards. I don't know if it's this side or this side, but it's going to be up here. Check it out. These are the C2s from Tribit. $79.99 is the price on these guys, but there's a big but here. These are going to be a little different. These are an open-ended style of earbud, not like the C1s, which were a fantastic pair of earbuds. I was really shocked with those earbuds at how good they were, right? Value bang for buck. The C1s brought it with that pair of earbuds. So the C2s, we'll see how they do at $79.99. Now the packaging here, typical Tribit FlyBuds C2. And shout out to Tribit. They sent this to me to check out and to review, but not a paid review. You guys know how it is here. You guys are going to see this before any company will see their video. The packaging on here, the orange on the back, you know, nice, clean, and simple from Tribit all the time. I do like it. I like how clean it is. You guys know I love packaging. And, you know, if it's clean and simple, sometimes that could be really good too. And I like it. It's clean and simple. User's manual on here. We don't care about that. Now, the only thing in the box is a USB-A, USB-C to charge this guy up, and then we have the actual earbuds from Tribit here. That black finish, the branding here on the top. We do have some LED lights here on the front, 4 LED lights here on the front. And if we open it up, you can see the stem style earbuds here, the L and the R on the earbuds. Let's just take these guys out. I do like how these look. These are very light earbuds, guys, very light. These are going to be very comfortable. If you like this design, if you like this style, you're going to be able to wear these for a long time. They're very lightweight and very comfortable. I've had no problem wearing these at work pretty much all day long. And you can wear these all day long because battery life on here is pretty good. 8 hours and 32 total with the case. So let's throw them in. We'll talk about the rest of the specs. So battery life on here, again, 8 hours and 32 with the charging case. Touch controls. We'll talk about that in a little bit, but they do have volume control, your codecs or aptX, SBC, and AAC. And these do have the CVC 8.0 noise cancellation technology, so we will do a mic test, of course. You guys can hear how clear or not clear the microphones are on here. These have 13mm dynamic drivers on here. You can use one at a time, and that is basically it on these earbuds. And again, price $79.99. There is a 10% off coupon on Amazon right now, so you can get a little bit off. Let's talk about the look of these earbuds. And I know a lot of you guys, how you feel about stem style earbuds. And vice versa. You guys know how I feel about them. I do not mind them, and most of the time we get much better call quality. Not all the time, right? The other buds are catching up. The ones without the stem, they are catching up finally. But stems and earbuds, we usually get really good call quality. Now, let's just do a mic test, and we'll test that out. All right, guys. This is the mic test on the Tribit FlyBuds C2, the successor or not, because they are a different pair of earbuds for the C1s, but this is the mic test. 4 mics on here, 2 on each earbud, CVC 8.0 noise cancellation technology. This will give you an idea of what these sound like on a phone call in a very quiet room. All right, guys, this is the call quality on the Tribit FlyBuds C2 with some background noise, people yelling, people screaming. This will give you an idea of what it would sound like on a phone call in a crowded room. Drop some comments and let me know what you think. Now, as far as latency goes on these earbuds, Bluetooth 5.2 and the Qualcomm 3040 chip. So I have not experienced any delay whatsoever. So if you want to watch content, watch movies, Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, podcasts, whatever it may be, even gaming, Call of Duty, light gaming, I haven't really experienced any delay, any latency between audio and video. Feel free to game and do whatever you want on these earbuds. All right, guys, touch controls on these earbuds. They do have just about everything. They're not perfect. We are missing backtrack. So let me explain it to you really quick now. Again, tap to touch. One tap on either earbud will just answer your phone call, and that's basically it. Now, if we double tap on either earbud, it's going to play or pause. Right now, music is playing. It did pause. Hit it again. Music is now playing. And the left side, same thing. It pauses. Hit it again, and it does play. Now, if we triple tap on the left earbud, it will bring up your voice assistant, and that is Siri, Google Assistant, whatever you are using at the time. And if we triple tap on the right earbud, it's going to go to the next track. Now, to use the volume controls on here, you're just going to tap and hold, touch and hold, tap and hold, whatever you want to call it. You can see the volume going up right now. And on the left earbud, if we do the same thing, the volume will start to go down. So I wish backtrack was on there. I mean, some companies do this, you know. I would like backtrack on there instead of maybe the voice assistant, and even single tap for just answering end of phone call is a little weird to me. I would like better touch controls, although we do get volume control, and I need that on my earbuds. That is what I want the most. So at least we have volume control. The only thing we're missing is a backtrack. It's not a big deal, but just be aware that it is missing. Now, you can use one at a time, so we'll play some music. I'll throw one in the case. Music is still playing. It doesn't pause. It doesn't do anything. It just plays. Now, no in-ear detection on these or anything like that, but you can just use one at a time and extend that battery life. So we already get pretty good battery life at 8 hours. All right, next let's talk about the sound quality and the volume on these earbuds. So volume-wise, these are fine. You know, I give it on a scale of 1 to 10, maybe at an 8.5. You know, I would like a little more every now and then, but I think just about everybody's going to be okay with how loud these get. And the sound quality, look, they're open-ended earbuds. So if you are looking for bass-heavy earbuds, these are not those. Now, there is some bass on here, but you're not going to get that hard bass, that deep bass, that punchy bass that, you know, bass heads like with these style of earbuds. And it's just a fact, honestly. Now, the clarity on here is great. It's very clear, crystal clear. You know, it sounds good for open-ended earbuds, and I just want to make that clear. There is a difference between a really good sounding pair of open-ended earbuds and a really good sounding pair of, you know, the silicone tips on earbuds, and these are pretty good for what they are. It's very clear, plenty of volume on here. There is some bass. It's just not that crazy bass. They sound good for what they are. And that brings me to my next point. You know, I love the C1s, right? I talk about the C1s. A lot of you guys that are on my subs, you know, Desmond and BJ, you guys know about the C1s. And shout out to you guys for always checking out my videos and stopping by the live streams. I highly appreciate it. But the C1s were a great pair of earbuds, and I'm a little surprised that these are open-ended earbuds. They're a good pair of earbuds, don't get me wrong, but when I saw the C2s, I got excited, right? I got excited because the C1s were such an amazing pair of earbuds that when I heard the C2s were coming out, I was hyped up. I got really excited because I wanted to see what they were going to do. Maybe they added ANC, right? Transparency mode, something, because the C1s were already fantastic. They didn't need much to improve on. The C2s, completely different pair of earbuds here. Still a good pair, but completely different pair of earbuds than the C1s. So if you like open-ended earbuds, I would say these are a better option, you know, against something like the $150 AirPods 1 or 2. Unless you're in the Apple ecosystem, then that's a different conversation. But if you want to save some money, get a good pair of open-ended earbuds. I know silicone tips don't really work for everyone. Open-ended earbuds, these are very affordable and a good pair of earbuds. So that's it, guys. The Tribit FlyBuds C2. Let me know what you think. Drop some comments. If you're new here, hit that like button. A sub would be appreciated. And I'll be back soon, guys. Peace.